BESTEK 400 with 500W DC 12 volts 110 volts inverter with 4 USB charging ports. Power converter with 2 AC outlets. BESTEK, leading brand in America. Powerful dominator and pioneer in power inverters, R&D and innovation. Enjoy a reputation of bestseller in this industry for decades. This inverter provides 400W continuous DC to AC full power and 800W peak power. Comprehensive new upgrade version. BESTEK focuses on every details upgrading. Diamond-like quality with high performance. Extraordinary texture and state-of-art design by adopting sophisticated technology. Deep commitments to quality and customer noise elimination and multifunctional. A breakthrough in eliminating the noise from the built-in cooling fan. All-round ventilation system to dissipate heat. Fast charging your laptop, smartphone. 8. Ideal for camping, road trip and business trip. Safety protection. Built-in fuses to avoid overload, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheat, short circuit, etc. Matte indicator light reduces driver's sight disturbance. Additional fixture to avoid dropping.